we found some baby bird. Oh, look, the baby bird's hungry. And the mommy bird's there. And there's more. Okay. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're hungry. And almost all the nest has baby bird in it. I see, look, that one also has a baby bird. Let's see. On this one, oh, I don't know where. And oh yeah, that one too. Look at this. Whoa, 1, 2, 3, 4. They're hungry. Interesting. I had to be careful. Look at the floor. Oh, the poop. And let's look up. Oh, look. So I had to be careful. Wow, I think they are ready to fly away. Ooh, they choose the best place to have family. Beautiful. Here is Camp Raining Mountain. It's where our scout going to have her summer camp. That is whole week. Ooh, beautiful.